Alright, good evening. It's about 10 o'clock at night, and I'm going to get started real quick with the Euro. This is the only chart I'm going to update tonight. When I posted 2 days ago, price was, I think right here somewhere, more towards the 1620 area, and I was expecting price to go below 1575. So on a 60-minute time frame, I have this here particular, from here to here is what my wave 1, my wave 2, my wave 1 of 3, my wave 2 of 3, 3 of 3, 4 of 3, and a possible 5 of 3 here. But this may be, if you look here, and you probably can't see it, but if I do this, I would basically go from here to here, which would be about 1645 as 1, and then back up to 1659 is 2, and then this impulsive wave down is 3, 4, 5 for 3, and then 4, and then 5 basically as a 5 wave move down for the end of wave 3. However, you can also look at it as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 3, and then 4, and then one more wave down to around 1530 like I originally projected. 1530, between 1530 and 1515, and then you'll see the end of wave 3. So it's very difficult on a small time frame like an hour chart to label, because a lot of the patterns are false patterns. So but it is possible that the turning point, like I suggested 2 days ago, or yesterday I believe, was today, and once price hit 1554, then you basically go from there. This could be the low at 1554, and price can continue, but in order to do that, price needs to break a couple of resistance levels, and the main resistance level is 1635 before I give any indication that this is a particular low, and now we're starting wave 5 on a larger time frame. But if price continues to hover like it's finding consolidation near this GAN fan 8x1, which is not a support or resistance, it's just an angle and it's a cycle, and let's say this is the particular 1606 is the highest it goes, well then I'll expect one more drop to that 1530 level, most likely tonight, or even Thursday. So now if I look at it on a larger time frame, like a 360, you can clearly see here it's two ways to look at it. I've been saying it for a while, but if wave B ended here, well then you have a 1, you have a 2, and then now you have a 1 of 3, 2 of 3. This is 3 of 3, then 4 of 3, and then we're currently should still be in wave 5 of wave 3. And if that is the case, well then right now current, if you look at it on a larger time frame, once price dropped, it made this particular wave more of a longer than wave 1. So it would have been difficult to label this wave 1, when if this was 3 here, it was actually the shortest wave. So this is what made me to believe that, okay, well, wave 3s can't be the shortest, so this will be 3 of 3, because this is definitely impulsive. So this can be 3 of 3, then you have 4 of 3, and you're currently working on 5 of 3. Or you can be currently working on wave 5, but I seriously doubt that. From my labeling, I believe this may be the end of wave 3, and then you'll see another wave up in wave 4 that should go more towards 1700, and then you may even see a drop from there that will go below 1500. But once price does find support either at current 1554 or if it drops near 1530, you may see a 200 plus pip move up. So looking at it on the daily, where's my daily? Here's my daily. As you can see here, 100%. So if wave B of 4 ended here at 120.05 or so, well then you have the 1, 2, and now from here to here to here, that was measuring the length of wave 3. It basically hit 100% at 1575. So it did go below that by about 20 ticks or so. So now this is no longer the shortest wave, and then you can actually correctly count this as a 1, 2. This is a 3 of 3, 4 of 3, and possibly you may see an ending diagonal. That's difficult to count on a daily time frame, but you can see some form of diagonal that that may be ending basically, if not have already ended, and then you'll basically see a wave up. So if this is 3 of 3, that let's say ends at 1540 or 1554 like it currently ended possibly, well then you'll probably see a wave up, but that particular wave up can't go above 1700, because if wave 1 ended here, well then wave 4 can't enter the territory of wave 1. So you're looking at a little over 100 plus tick, close to 200 tick move, and then a drop. Or this particular 1500, 1530, or 1554 could be the low, and this will be basically like an A, B, C for 4. You know, because you can look at it in 2 or 3 different ways. So if that's the case, well then, if this is a low, price would have to basically print above 120.94, and then the last alternate will be that this is actually not B or B here. This is actually wave 5, and now you have a 1, 2, basically 3, 4, 5 for 3, then a 4 up, and then a 5 that will come down more towards 112 for wave 1 of 5 to the downside. That basically will be going below 103. So that basically means that this ended. So there's just several ways to look at it, but right now I'm saying that wave 5 to the upside is not finished, which is basically wave 4 on a larger time frame is not finished. So just to look at that on a weekly so that you can see where I'm coming from. Basically, if this is possibly an X here, this would be the 3, this would be the W, this would be the X, and then you have the 1, 2, the 1, 2, the 3, 4, the 5 for wave 3, and then you're currently working on wave 4, and then you'll have wave 5 that will print above 123. If not that, then wave 5 ended here, and now you're going to have this particular, it will be possibly a leading diagonal, which will be wave 1. That will probably end at around 112, and it has to go below this X at 103.40 to end that particular completed cycle down, which on a monthly, I believe, is an ABC. Or yeah, because this will be the A, the B, then you have the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, and then you'll see a 5 that most likely will go down to about 94 or so for wave C. And then over the next course of a few years from now, you would basically see the dollar getting very, very weak against most currencies. So we'll see how that plays out, but this is my analysis for now, and I hope it helped. Any questions, leave some in the comments, and I should have another video maybe Thursday. Happy trading.